Okay, unfortunately the sun is going down right in front of me, so I'm going to try and do this quick. And I already had this still off. And press down on that, pull this connector out. And this is the wire I pulled down earlier. So, plug that into our new one. Okay. And this is after I've modified it, so it would be on wire number 6. And if you look at the connector where it was connected before, this other side, there is no pin there at all, so it wasn't connected to anything. And he said that would be for the power folding mirrors. So we're all hooked up with that. And you just plug this back in. And again, these are the little tabs. You push down and it locks and unlocks. Okay. And I have a couple tie wraps. Cable ties. And that's just to keep things neat and tidy. And the bigger the bundle, the less chance of it rattling inside your door. Okay. Alright. Oops. And it's really hard to tell if it's lit up or not, but let's see if I can get this off here. Okay, now we got light. And these will be hard to see because it's daytime, but I think it is. I can't tell. Honestly, there's a little bit of hint of blue, so it looks like it's on, but so I don't get flagged by YouTube. There we go. Like I said, the sun's like shining right in the front window, so this will be hard to tell. Oh well. Anyway, that's it. The other ones, this will be better to see at night. So anyway, thanks.